Mohammed, welcome to Skydive Dubai. How are you doing today?
Fine, everything's okay.
Super, first time skydiving?
It's first time. Just let's do it, you know.
Finally your dream is coming true, right?
Yeah.
Awesome,
I'm so excited, but a little bit nervous. Yeah.
Sure. You're gonna have a great time. You met your instructor?
Yeah, everything is okay.
Structure, training, you understand everything you have to do?
Everything is clear, yeah. That's right.
Any other message to friends and family before the fun?
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted.
So nice, you are the best, bro.
Woo!
Really good. Yeah, I will do it again. Yeah.
Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
How was it?
Yeah, it was so
You
awesome.
enjoy it?
Yeah, I definitely will do it again.
Super.
My
That's what
advice
we
to
like
everyone,
hear.
Habibi, come to Dubai
Yeah.
and
nice
try
one.
Skydive. Yeah,
Super.
it's so good.
Mohammed, well done. Thank you
Yeah,
very much
thank
for
you so
jumping
much.
with us.
Thank you.
Dubai. Hope to see you again. Okay?
Bye.
Ciao.
Woo!